Here we come to the elevator at the Municipal parking garage in downtown Greensboro, North Carolina. It's an Otis. Gotta be a mod of some sort. This is traction. Jeff, known as the Wild Deeper, has recorded this a while back. This is probably not the best view, I don't think. Interesting how they numbered the floors including the letters. That's interesting. This used to be something else before Otis modded it. 1994. I wonder what it used to be. I think Montgomery, US. A lot of construction. GAL interlock. It's below the shaft. But anyways, there it goes. And that's it.